Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the home screen and lock screen, wallpapers. You can select one of the pre-installed static wallpapers, you can select one of the live wallpapers. You can just go to the My Photos and select any other image that you can download from the internet or take a picture with your camera. Let's select an image. Here you can adjust this image and then tap done. Tap done if you want to set it on home screen, tap set both if you want to set it on home screen and lock screen. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.